Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for watching my video. Last video I talked about how to install WordPress on a free host, and for many years of using this platform I found it's very reliable. It's free, you don't have to pay for anything to start a website. So here you will see I already add some link. You can see the website for byet.host, where you can register your free WordPress host. And then you have online environment. You can play with WordPress. Okay, if you don't know how to install the WordPress on Byte host, you can watch my first video. But today I'm gonna share another video, how to customize the default WordPress theme. So before we complete this session, I want to talk about some things we need to know. First, what is WordPress? Second, what is the theme of WordPress? And what is the plugin of WordPress? So in order to complete these answer these three questions, we may need more video sessions. I'm going to upload accordingly. Alright, let's go talk about the first question. What is WordPress? Here you will say, if you go Google, search WordPress, you will find there are two websites. The first one is WordPress.com. So that is you said create a free website or blog. That means you have free host. You don't have to worry about the host. You can just start it to write on your website. But the bad thing is you just cannot change too much. Can't change any part of your website because WordPress.com is designed for this. For a website developer, if you want to change any parts of your website, you own it. Any bit piece of your website is your data asset. So you have to go to WordPress.org. WordPress.org is a blog tool, a publishing platform. It's a CMS. So it's a #1 CMS. It's #1 on CMS market, content management system market. So let's click this. Our focus is on the WordPress.org. So they are going to tell us what is WordPress. Let's see the documentation. And you will say from getting started with WordPress, new to WordPress. That's our starting point. And they said, WordPress is a great product. It's easy to use, powerful, and flexible. Creating a website and maintaining a website is a science and art that has quickly evolved. So, in order to fully appreciate this, it is important to be well read on the subject. One major thing to keep in mind is your investment time. Of course, you do things, you have to spend your time. So here they give you some flow charts. You start with this, so we don't have to worry about this so far. So when you read this paragraph, you still don't know what is WordPress. Actually, it's just like a tool. You write your code, you create your website. So I'm trying to give a definition here. WordPress is a collection of PHP files that can help you create a website, or you can manage your website. So WordPress site is like an orchestra, I would say. You have to manage it. You are the conductor. You are going to manage different parts of the website, web page, like header, footer, set line, set bar, left side or right side. And then you play with the different parts. You create the whole web pages. So in the past, many years ago, you may be familiar with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are used for the static websites. That means you don't have to worry about the database. You don't have to worry about any communications between your browser and your server. But WordPress is different. It's used to create a dynamic website. That means when you input something, the website will give you a response to you and give you some answer like that. So this is a dynamic website. So for a dynamic website, you have to have your own database. You save all the information on the web page and send to the server, and server will respond to you, usually from your database. So WordPress actually is a bunch of files. We call that PHP files and a MySQL file. MySQL is actually a database management system. Online is now acquired by the Oracle. As an open source, also as a commercial product. So, but in WordPress, these are all free. It's open source software. Alright, so WordPress just PHP plus MySQL. So in order to know more about the details of WordPress, you will see once you install the WordPress on the server, you go back in, you will see 3 folders. These are 3 folders. And then you will see a bunch of files outside of the 3 folders. They are ends with a PHP. So that's the PHP language. Those files are controlling the WordPress, how the WordPress is running as a platform for you to create your website. Alright, so that is the WordPress system. Then let's talk about the WordPress site. Okay, let me close the .org, .com, .org, and so let's go back to my first website. When I install the WordPress on the free host, I already have this default website. Alright, this is called 2017. I just changed the title. Welcome YouTube viewers. Okay, this is the first video we complete. Please stay tuned. That's what I added this part. You may change the headline, header image, or any content, but that's not this video for. Alright, let's see the structure. The WP-admin, this folder includes all the files related to the back end of the WordPress. That is the engine of the WordPress. You will see the back end that you have posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, and these different menus are controlled by the files in WP-admin. Alright? And the WP content actually saves all the things you can see at the front end. That is your web pages, images, menus, top navigation menus. So those are the files saved in the PHP content. And then you have ph.includes. These essential files you don't have to touch unless you are the coder, you are the team member of WordPress, so you don't have to worry about this part. So if you want to change your website layout and your picture colors, all you have to do is in WP-content. So there are 2 files inside this folder, that is plugins and themes. So now we're going to talk about the themes. Alright, so what is the theme of WordPress in WP content? So if you go back to the dashboard and you will see the appearance, that's the themes. Okay, the themes, when you install the WordPress, you have default themes from 2015, 2016, and 2017. And you can add your own. There are hundreds of thousands free WordPress themes. Also, there are some paid WordPress themes. But we are going to talk about in next video. please stay tuned. I'm going to talk about more about WordPress.